PLBY stock analysis and PLBY stock prediction. Super interesting. In this 1 minute video, I'm covering whether I'm buying or not. Plby Group it's gone up almost 20% up on Friday. End of week report, it's up 8%, which is cool. And I do see a very good increase in price. You know, this is a beautiful trend that we're actually starting. So this is how my chart looked like before. Obviously, I've done 35,000 videos. I've spent thousands on courses and mentors, and I've documented everything. And now looking back, this is where we are. So I saw the price starting to kind of went down and then started to pick up. Come here. This is where we are. And honestly, I'm still looking to take things up. You know, I'm not just going to randomly buy, you know, it's still going to be a strategic approach. But the only way that I would like to see the price start to pick up is if it comes down and then gives me a proper double break. Then is when we're talking. Other than that, yeah, everything else is noise. So I will more so continue to keep you updated. It doesn't even have to come this low. Like the only thing that I want to see is like a great shift and a decent risk to reward. That's it. Stay tuned, and if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.